I made a sketch of a butterfly here, and I'm working on the colors. I wanted to make a bright and colorful piece. Butterflies are quite eye-catching and fascinating. Their beauty. They're so delicate and light. While I was painting this piece, I wished that I had cut the acrylic paper bigger, because this paper is just 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. It's quite tricky to work on all the details. Now the background, I wanted to make abstract, but still nature inspired. And it was quite enjoyable to paint the background, but I wasn't completely sure of where I was going. And I did mix in a bit of gold, which I think is beautiful in the light. It has a shimmery effect. I do try to paint more and more abstract. There's a freedom in abstract that I like. I think when I was younger, there was quite a frustration when painting, because it didn't turn out exactly as I wanted. So I could be so tired and disappointed that I didn't finish a piece. But I do think I've become much more relaxed when it comes to being an artist, and also allow myself to fail, allow myself to make mistakes. Yeah, you see me working here, some light effects. I like the effect of the brightness here. It's not just dark background. Have some sunlight coming from behind. Okay, let me know what you think in the comments. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Ta-da!